Hey everyone, welcome back to another powerful episode of Spoken English Without Fear. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate every single listener who spends time learning English with us.
Today's topic is extremely important, especially for shy learners, beginners, and people who don't have anyone to talk to.
Yes, today we are discussing how to start speaking English when you are alone, the self-practice method.
Most people think they need a partner or teacher to speak English, but the truth is, you can build 90% of your speaking fluency alone, at home, with the right methods.
So today, we're giving you a full, step-by-step, long-form guide that will help you speak English confidently, even when you have no one to practice with.
All right, let's jump right in. A lot of people say, Emily, I don't have anyone to speak with. That's why my English is not improving. But that's not fully true.
Exactly. Think about this. Even native English speakers talk to themselves when they are planning something, thinking out loud, or preparing for an idea.
Speaking alone improves fluency, speed of thinking, vocabulary memory, confidence, pronunciation, and sentence structure.
When you speak alone, you remove one big fear of being judged. And this is the main reason many people can speak fluently in their mind, but not out loud.
Self-practice gives you a safe space, no pressure, no embarrassment, just you and your words.
And it works faster than you think.
Speaker 2. It appears to be a combination of factors including greater awareness of sustainability issues and a growing demand for personalized experiences.
Let's begin with the simplest but most powerful technique, the 2-minute talk.
Here's how it works. Pick any topic, your day, your plans, your food, your work, and talk for 2 minutes without stopping.
Don't worry about grammar. Don't stop thinking. Don't correct yourself. Just talk. Even if your sentences break, continue.
This trains your brain to keep producing English naturally. That's how fluency is built.
If you don't know what to say, describe your surroundings. I am sitting on my chair. My phone is beside me. I can hear some noise outside.
It's not about perfection, it's about flow.
Shadowing means copying what native speakers say at the same time they say it.
Just like a shadow copies a person.
You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, movie dialogues, speeches, TED Talks.
Choose someone who speaks slowly and clearly, then follow them word for word.
In the beginning, it'll feel difficult. You may fall behind or skip words. That's normal.
Within days, you'll notice big changes in pronunciation, rhythm, accent, sentence flow, and confidence.
Shadowing makes your speaking automatic because your brain learns real patterns.
If you are alone, this is your superpower. You can train your brain to think in English.
Start with small thoughts. I am hungry. I will clean my room. She is calling me. It's time to sleep.
Then move to longer thoughts. What should I do today? How can I finish this work faster? What will happen if I learn English every day?
When English becomes your thinking language, speaking becomes much easier and faster.
And remember, thinking is also speaking, just without sound.
This is one of my favorite techniques because it helps you break hesitation quickly.
Stand in front of a mirror and speak like you're talking to someone.
Observe your body language, your expressions, your confidence level.
Say simple sentences. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. I want to improve my English.
You will sound more confident because you're practicing eye contact, even with yourself.
Pretend you are in real situations.
Ordering food, talking on the phone, asking for help, meeting someone new, introducing yourself, asking for directions.
Create imaginary dialogues.
For example, hello, Can I get one coffee, please?
Yes, sure. Do you want sugar?
Yes, a little.
This builds real-world speaking confidence.
As you move through the day, commentate your actions in English.
Like a commentator in a cricket match, but about your life.
I am taking my keys. I'm locking the
Pretend you are in real situations.
ordering food, talking on the phone, asking for help, meeting someone new, introducing yourself, asking for directions.
Create imaginary dialogues.
For example,
This builds real-world speaking confidence.
as you move through your day, commentate your actions in English.
Like a commentator in a cricket match, but about your life.
I am taking my keys. I'm locking the door. I'm walking to the bus stop.
This creates natural English repetition. Your brain becomes used to forming sentences quickly.
You can create small stories even when you're alone.
Pick a topic: a lion in the forest, a boy learning English, or your dream job.
Tell the story step by step. Don't try to be perfect.
Storytelling improves vocabulary, imagination, and fluency together.
Record your voice for 1 to 2 minutes every day.
Listen to it again, not to judge, but to observe.
Ask yourself, do I pause too much? Am I nervous? Do I need more vocabulary?
Recording accelerates improvement because you become aware of your patterns.
Turn these techniques into a routine. Morning, 5 minutes. Think in English. Afternoon, 5 minutes, 2-minute talk. Evening, 10 minutes. Shadowing or mirror practice.
That's it. Just 20 minutes a day alone can build fluency.
So this was our full guide on how to start speaking English even when you're alone. Remember, you don't need a partner. You need consistency.
You can become fluent at home, by yourself, without fear, without pressure. Just follow these techniques daily.
Thank you so much for listening to this long podcast. If you learned something today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
This is Alex
And Emily.
from Spoken English Without Fear. See you in the next episode.